Hi, good morning. Myself Akshay, and I am from Ahmednagar. And today's my technical topic is the why string is a immutable. And today's date is a 25th June 2024. So in this video, we have to discuss actually what is the string and how can we declare the string and actually why should the string is immutable and we have to some discuss point about the suppose string for the mutable that time we can different type of a methods we are using in the string. So first of all we have to discuss what is the string. Actually string is a object. It is a important to create a with a one sequence character to store the single quote and double quote. That is the main reason string is a object. And suppose we have to string the declare, that time we are using two types. First one is a string literals, and we are using the string using the new keywords. There are two method are using the we can create a object of a string. Suppose string s1 is equal to in we can enter the any name between the double quotes. And another method is using a new keyword. That time we are using a string new and any str and new objects of we are given to any name. And actually string is a reference data type, or it is a object. Actually it is a object because of the sequence of the character. And that the reason is that we can use the different type of a method like index of to uppercase to lowercase to trim at that time split at that type of a character I that type of a method we are using. That method they make a string of a object, or the it can we can say that is the reference of a data type. Actually it is a not a primitive data type. Actually in the string is a immutable. It is a main reason is that suppose we have to use the we have to create any string. That time we cannot create it, or we cannot create a same object. Actually we can only create a new reference, but we cannot existing a real value. So now we have to discuss the property of the actually string is immutable because of its security, because of a is a synchronization process. And they have to catch it that things are make to the string is immutable. And now we have to discuss string constant pool in a string. Actually string constant pool we can say that is a scp. The main purpose is that we can store the different type of size of object. Actually scp store the heap values. Suppose we have to create any object in a here heap memory. That time in the string pool, that time one object created in that time they check the if any object created already exist or not. If there has no object, that time they can make a different type of objects, and it is a return. And actually suppose they have to not created any object, that time we can create a new object, and after that they create return to that. So that things of a method are going to the in the string constant pool, and it is important to memory usage. And actually suppose suppose we have to string is immutable. We have to make the string is mutable. That time we are using the two methods. First one is a string buffer, and second one is a string builder. Actually in the string buffer we can usually it only synchronize method. Means that time we can usually use in a one method at a time for the mutable properties. That time we are using a string buffer. And suppose we have to we want to two or more methods, one or more methods. That time we are using a string builder. as that type of a methods are important in a string. So string is a immutable in Java. So thank you so much.